How's it going, YouTube? You guys are back with Next Tech Edit, and please excuse me being in my car at the moment. That is the quietest place I could get to. Luckily, my camera sits perfectly on my steering wheel without falling forward or backwards, hopefully, knock on wood. So anyways, today's video is going to be basically another cryptocurrency video, and pretty much one, how my investment is doing, and two, a new cryptocurrency that managed to hit Coinbase just a few hours ago. So let's just go ahead and get into the video. So basically, we're going to start off with this first one here. It's going to be the Bitcoin Cash. And when it was sitting at this point a couple hours ago, I tried buying in at least just $400 worth just to kind of bump up. And it would have been totally worth it if you go ahead and look here. When I was going to buy in, it was looking at around $3,100. So I would have put $400 in at the time. And then shortly thereafter, it hit 8,500 basically, and that's when I would have sold. And one, I'm kind of happy I didn't buy in or anything like that, pretty much because, as you can see here in the video, it's back down to where it was beforehand. It did a small jump, which was a good jump, to 3,200, and then it bumped up to about 8,500. So it was a huge jump. It was $7,000 I would have made, or not I would have made, but some people made if they bought in when it was at 1,000 or 2,000. But anyways, that was a huge jump, and they just introduced it. It wasn't letting anyone buy or sell, or at least not buy. So I'm kind of happy I didn't. Overall, my total investment has done pretty well. I told you guys I bought in with the Litecoin at 110, I believe it was, and pretty much we're up at 336. It was up at almost 400 a few days ago, if I'm not mistaken here. 377 on the 18th, so that was what, yesterday at 11:36 p.m. So it was pretty up there, and I could have cashed out. However, I'm hoping to sit in it for the long run and hoping it steadily goes up. I'm not expecting it to reach Bitcoin levels. However, I mean, if it ever reached that, I'd be more than happy. It's only one Litecoin. It's more of my tiny investments that I'm hoping in the long run, a year down the road, may blow up to be, even if it's where Litecoin is now, I'd be happy because, buying 90 of one, 10 of another, and 10 of another, that's going to be a great investment depending on which one blows up. And that's if this stuff keeps going, and from what some people say, it looks like it will. And quite honestly, with this Bitcoin Cash, I would probably still buy in. Not at the moment. I'm gonna wait for it to kind of steady out over the next day or two. Before it jumps back up, I'm hoping to buy in a little bit. So yeah, that's just to show you guys my investment. And then I will definitely, like I said, I don't want to click on anything where it's going to reveal much of my information, so I'm not trying to move away from this page in the middle of the video. I will show probably a screenshot from my phone that shows how much I currently have. And then also probably from my Binance, I'll end up probably showing a screenshot. Binance I have a little bit invested in, but I don't think I have anything really profit-wise more than $5-10. So Coinbase is where my main investing is going on at the moment. So yeah, I would definitely invest in the Bitcoin Cash, and it looks like it just bumped up a little bit again now. So that's definitely something to check into. I don't want to keep rambling on, so basically keep an eye on Bitcoin Cash as it did some funky shit today. And some of the others, Litecoin seems to be staying pretty steady except for a small dip earlier today. Kind of gave us all a scare when everything else dipped and Bitcoin Cash went up. So that was scary. And then Bitcoin also today, they dropped down to, as you can see here, it was less than 1,500, so I don't know why this map's not showing it, but it was a lot less than that. So they definitely dipped today as well. That would have been a time to buy in, even a fraction, because it went high 14s back to the low 17,000s. But yeah, anyways guys, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this update. Like I said, keep an eye on Bitcoin Cash. I wouldn't say invest in Litecoin unless it's going to go up. I haven't looked too much into it, but maybe invest in that as well. I will leave my referral link down in the description below for Coinbase. If you're going to join in and hop in on this, please use that referral link. You'll definitely help me out. I will be honest with you, I only get $10 if you invest 100 or more. And that's the same thing you could do for your friends. Have them use your invite link or referral link. Like I said, really help me out. Even if, a handful of you did this, it would be excellent. Yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. And I'll catch you guys in the next video, hopefully in the next day or two.